What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and I have the Honda engine. This guy is a pressure washer, 3200 PSIs. I'm cleaning off this driveway right here. You can see the little scuffs in the driveway, and then I also have this sidewalk area right here, so you can see the before, and then the shutters right here. I'll be taking care of these shutters as well, cleaning off these shutters. Watch the YouTube video. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Well, we have the power pressure washer here. This is the first time that I've actually, took it out the box. You see, I didn't even take all the paper off of it yet. Trying to keep it as new as possible. And try to crank him up. I got gas in it, got oil in it. All right. Looks like it works pretty good there. I like the outcome of it. No soap. And man, listen, if you want your house power wash, I'm in the Columbus, Ohio area right now. I'll be in the Tampa, Florida area. So if you want to get your house power wash, I'm gonna show you before and after. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. All right. If you look at that engine one more time, let's go look at the engine